guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, Courtney's just going to be doing my hair. We are in quarantine and I ain't going nowhere, but I really needed my hair done. So Courtney decided to do my hair. We are at home and it's so crazy because she had to cancel on all of her clients because Courtney's technically not an essential worker. But I live with my loctician, so I keep getting to get my hair done. And also, if you guys can tell, or maybe you can't tell, I dyed my hair black. Or if you've seen my last video, you've seen that I said I dyed my hair black. But yes, I dyed my locks black. I decided not to record it because I just feel like it's not a dramatic change. Like my hair was already really dark brown and now it's just black, so I didn't feel like it was worth making a whole video. But yeah, if you guys, you know, if people start to realize my hair is darker and they missed this clip, then you should have watched the whole video, or you should have watched the video. But if you know, you know. Now you know. I dyed my hair black, so when you start seeing future videos and her hair looks dark, am I tweaking? If you even catch it, that's why I didn't record it, because I don't feel like it's even worthy of catching. But if you do, I dyed my hair black. But anyway, yes, Courtney did my hair today. We just did some basic rope twists because I just wanted to enjoy my hair. Like, my hair has gotten so long. It's gotten so long, and rope twist is just, I don't know. If my rope twist long, I know my hair is long because it's like, you know, it's shorter because it's in twist. So the fact that it's long in twist, my shit busting. But anyway, my hair looks so good and nice. It's black, it's pretty, and because we're in quarantine, I didn't want to do anything dramatic with my hair, but I did want to look pretty for my videos and stuff like that. So that's why I got rope twist. I don't know if I have rope twist on my channel, and I think I've also done a rope twist lock style takedown, but I think I'm gonna record another one because I just want to see how my hair is gonna look. It's just gotten so long. Like, it's gotten so long, and it's black now too, so I just want to see it and I want y'all to see it. And if you want to watch, you'll watch, and if you won't, I'll see you in my next video. Also, I recorded a video today on how I groom my brows, how I fill in my brows, and how I tint my brows. So yeah, if you want to see that, stay tuned. That video was literally I just got done doing the outro, so it's fresh. But anyway, that is all, guys. Hopefully I'm not talking too much. I just smoked a bowl, so I probably am. And I'm in quarantine, so I ain't got no friends right now. I just got Courtney and the cats. I feel very pretty and I'm very happy about it. Maybe I'm gonna go on a walk. I washed my hair today, and today was the very first time I ever washed my hair. I did not record it because it was hectic, it was stressful, it was my first time washing my hair myself. This is my first time since I've had locks, and I've had locks for 2 years now. This is my first time since I've had locks in general ever washing my own hair. But yes, I washed my hair today, so I did not put that portion of my wash, retwist, and style, because you know whenever I do my videos, I always put the wash portion. But I washed my hair in the shower because we are at home for quarantine, and I didn't really feel like the hassle of Courtney having to wash my hair in the sink, so I just washed it myself in the shower. But yeah, that's it. Everything else we did regular. I could use my same products, and Courtney just did my hair, so we're here now. But I just want to let you guys know we're just doing a little quick little something just to put some content out and to connect with you guys. But that is about it, so we're just gonna get straight into the video.
But I gotta say, how bad, why is this so funny? Just met already, feel like I'm real. You must have done this before this game. We must have been here before, it's still fresh. You got that shit that somebody will look for but won't find. You must have done this before. This can't be your first time. But I gotta say, how bad, why is this so funny? Just met already, feel like I know the real her. You must have done this before. This can't be your first time. We must have been here before. It's still fresh. You got that shit that somebody will look for.
Okay guys, so as you've seen in the beginning and throughout her doing my hair, this is the final look. My hair has gotten so long. I'm obsessed. I love my hair like this. And I love my hair like this because it's kind of no different than having my regular loose locks. It's just like she doubled them, so now they're like thicker locks. So I still get to like do everything I do with my loose locks with my rope twist, but it just keeps my hair so clean. And I just love rope twist. Rope twist, I don't know when, but rope twist is my all-time favorite style. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any video ideas, lock styles you want me to try, my social media is listed in the video and also listed in my description box below. So if you ever want me to try out a lock style, follow me on Instagram, DM it to me, and I will put it on the list of styles to try because I'm here to give you guys content. I don't have to see myself. I am me. That is about it. Thank you guys. Oh, my underarm's probably hairy. I always do that. It's quarantine, whatever. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.